Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your problem with your Facebook. So if Facebook couldn't load on your iPhone, so how you can also fix it. So for fixing it, first thing, just try to close your Facebook app and just open it again. And if it doesn't help, if you still have this error, so you can also just try to fix it in another way. So just try to check your internet connection. So just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find Wi-Fi if you use Wi-Fi. Just try to turn it off and turn on again. And another thing you can try to open cellular data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So after you can try to restore your phone, so just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second, and just power your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if you still have this error, so you can also just try to update your Facebook app. So just go back, just go to App Store, just go to search tab. In search tab, just write here Facebook, and if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and wait until it was successful install the latest updates for your Facebook app. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.